Running your Playwright tests and suddenly you get the JavaScript heap out of memory error. Please don't freak out, your code is fine. It is just that your Node.js ran out of room upstairs. This happens because Node.js has a default memory limit which is around 1.5 GB. That is nothing when you are spinning up dozens of browser contexts with Playwright. Basically, Node.js is trying to run Chrome inside Chrome and many tabs. The solution is very simple, just boost the memory limit. For doing this, you can run a command which is shown on the screen on your terminal. By doing this, Node.js will be able to use up to 4 GB of RAM, and your test runner is going to be leveled up from budget to brownie. Even better, you can make this change permanent in your project. Inside your package.json, you can add the script shown on the screen. When you will make this change, you will be able to run npm run test :mem, and your Playwright tests are going to get plenty of memory every time. No more manual flags. If your scripts are still crashing, maybe there's a memory leak somewhere in there. You need to watch for infinite loops and forgotten timers, or maybe giant objects hiding in your globals. They eat RAM like Pac-Man. Then there is another possibility that maybe you are processing huge amounts of logs or videos or screenshots from tests. If that is going on, just don't load the Titanic in the memory and stream it in chunks. Memory errors are like opening 80 Chrome tabs to research a bug. Now everything is frozen and I forgot why I opened the first tab. So here's a quick recap. You can raise Node.js's limit with max old space size flag. You can also add the flag to package.json for Playwright test runs, and you can hunt memory leaks and fix them, and then you need to stream big data, because smart tests save memory and they save your sanity as well. Hit the like button if this saved your Playwright run, and subscribe for more dev fixes that won't leak your memory or your mind. Please note that I am also teaching a full course about Playwright tests on Udemy. The link is given in the description. Do check it out. I am Naeem Akram Malik. I am a senior test automation engineer, and see you in another video soon.